It's
I like
just
the readers, they're a nice touch.
well, because I can't see anymore. That's just all there is to it. I can't see anymore. What's up, Paint Slayers? It's been a while. It's been a minute, right? We haven't abandoned you. We have been off for 6 weeks now. Well, I haven't been off. If you've been following us on Instagram, which, by the way, if you're not following us on Instagram, you should be following us on Instagram, because everything gets posted there first, no matter what we're doing. So it's the at Rio and Saress on Instagram. Second, I needed a break. This whole YouTube thing has proven to be an interesting journey. When we first started, our only goal was to be as stupid as we possibly could for 12 to 20 minutes at a time. And we were very, very successful at that. But that got old pretty quick, and so did what the content we were making, and we just don't like the content anymore. In fact, my top 4 videos are about to be marked private, so no one can see them ever again. The end. We're coming at you today because we want to talk about the future of the channel.
The history?
The history of the channel. The history channel.
It's really bad.
No, don't watch the history of this channel. Do not do it. Don't do it. Don't do it! Couple of things. It's been brought to my attention that we have not been doing what we should be doing on Wanna Go Diving. So therefore, once a week, every Monday, and if not, if Chase doesn't start putting videos out on time, I'm just gonna give you guys his cell phone number so that you can harass him, because I think that would be funny. On Mondays, on Wanna Go Diving, we are releasing the painting I've done for the week. So I know that's kind of confusing. You're thinking, Rio, why aren't you putting paintings on this channel? Well, I am coming to you, well, Chase and I are coming to you today to ask you, how can we help? What do you guys need from us? We have 42,000 some odd subscribers now, but we really only have 1,000 of you guys who actually watch everything we put out. So I have decided that I no longer give one rat's ass about growing this channel. I don't care about any of the statistics. The algorithm can suck a fart right out of my butt. I am no longer chasing after that thing either. What I'm interested in is you guys who have supported this channel from day one. You guys who have been with us through thick and thin. You guys who have helped us get the camera gear we needed and get on the trips Chase needed to go on to learn more. What can we do to help you? It's no longer about Rio and Saress. It is now 100% all about you. Now I need you to understand that we will not be posting videos every day. I'm no longer drinking that Kool-Aid that we have to drink, you post a video every day or the channel won't work. I don't care about any of that on this channel anymore. The only thing I care about is how can I help you? What can I do to help you? What do you need from us? So we need comments down below with anything at all anything you would like to see this channel do. What is it that you need from us? What do you want from us? Do you want this to be a funny vlog, haha, this is, you know, behind the scenes look in the studio or whatever, or what do you want? Because that's what you're gonna get. So Chase is gonna show you a few clips now of what's been going on in the studio. Get over to Wanna Go Diving and make sure that you like, subscribe, ring the bell, leave some comments, because we really need that to work. Make sure you're following us on Instagram and Twitter. I still haven't quite figured out Twitter, because like I'm an old woman here.
I've been messing with it for the past month. I still have no idea how it works.
So if somebody knows how to get Twitter rolling for us, please leave a comment, send me an email, and let me know what I'm doing wrong, because you know, we just don't quite understand Twitter. It's still a mystery, like, you know, lady parts are to most men. Anyway, we love you guys. We haven't abandoned you. We just wanted to let you know that's what's up. So make sure you're leaving a comment. Let us know what we can do for you, and we will do everything in our power to make it happen. Until next time, thanks for joining us in the studio. Ciao!